a browser hits a server and it sends this, just plain text. Every framework you have used is this string split apart. No framework, no imports. Let's rewind and build a server by hand. First, parse the raw text into a method, a path, and headers. That first word, get, is the whole intent. Then root it, walk a table and find the handler whose pattern matches the path. The most specific root wins. Real servers wrap the handler in layers of middleware, like an onion. The request passes in, the response passes back out. Finally respond, a status line, headers, a blank line, and the body. The same shape as the request. A good path returns 200, but the interesting cases are the failures. Ask for a path that does not exist and you get a 404, not found. But here is the classic bug. The right path with the wrong method is a 405, not a 404. Almost everyone gets this wrong. And if the handler itself throws, that is a 500. The status code is the diagnosis. Parse the request, split on line breaks, then split the first line on spaces into method, pap, and version. Root it, match the path against patterns, pulling pap parameters out as you go. Respond with a status line, headers, a blank line, and the body. Get, content, length, wrong, and the browser hangs forever. Parse the text, route it, wrap it in middleware, and respond. That is every web server underneath the magic.